So we're here at Crater Lake under historical amount of snow. I mean, this is incredible. This might be the most snow I've ever seen at Crater Lake.
Just to know that all that water is gonna kind of trickle down into all the systems, you know, and into all the people. To be up on top of that much water. It's like walking on the clouds. Hey Rogue Trotters, welcome back to the channel. Today we are witnessing something truly extraordinary at Crater Lake. The snowfall this year has been record-breaking, and as you can see, the snow is deep, deep. Crater Lake is the snowiest place in the lower 48. Storms from the Pacific Ocean just routinely hammer Crater Lake with a majestic amount of snow. Averaging about 38 feet at park headquarters and up to 50 feet at Rim Village. This massive snowfall isn't just a beautiful sight, it's also vital for our water supply. The hills and valleys are just exceedingly green. Our rivers and streams are flowing at full capacity. The reservoirs are just brimming with water. So we're also looking at a future with plenty of water for our communities and ecosystems. So I wanted to take you on a journey from the top down of this sort of trickle-down economy, you might call it. Starting at the rim of Crater Lake.
We'll have to go in the tunnel to get in. It's like Middle Earth.
This is just such a fantastic landscape in March and April into June. Just wanted to share some experiences from our tours over the course of these months.
Woohoo! Hey, how's it going? I have to commend you guys for doing this.
It takes a while.
It's a monumental task, I know it. Can we put in over there with our snowshoes? Thank you, sir.
Be safe.
Yeah, we will.
You're not wearing a hat or anything. Oh, I had to take my hat off to get rid of my raccoon face. I hadn't had sun on my forehead in so long. Thank you very much. Whew. That's fun.
Got these fantastic hats. Yes, so we can shoe up right here. They just drive those things out onto this. It's crazy. It's like a tank. And we're probably like 15 feet off the surface of the road or something right now. We can go up there onto the rim for a little while. It feels good when you get out of the track.
What's that called?
It's called Watchman Peak. And last year at this time I skied the road out to the base of it, and then I skinned up to the shelter up there, which is actually a 100-year-old fire lookout. And it's so beautiful. So definitely check out my video on that. Looks like a brand new machine. Pretty sick. It'd be nice to have one of these for civilian use. Wow, that's really cool. That is amazing. From far away, I couldn't tell what that was. It's some land art right there. Yeah.
The original Frappuccino right there.
And what do you call this art?
I have no idea.
Snow cups.
Maybe snow cones.
Yeah, we'll just go up here around the...
Did I do it? Yeah. You see it? Yeah.
So you guys are playing Scrabble right here? That is so sweet. Look at this. Oh, that's the score. Oh, good one, Mule.
Every time I go in the mountains and I just see this sheer amount of snow, it's such a life affirmation to be up on top of that much water is kind of just, it's like walking on the clouds. And it's so life affirming, it's so rejuvenating, just to know that all that water is gonna kind of trickle down into all the systems, you know, and to all the people. And that's just an encouraging thought. So I wanted to leave you with that.